Alright, so what's up everybody? Welcome to another episode of Panchos Garage. As you guys can see, I cleared up this area from those two shelves over there. Just moved them over there. So now I got a lot more space here to do anything I want. Everything here is on wheels. So if I need this whole space open, I can literally just roll it outside and I have all this area. But yeah, today I'm gonna be working or trying to work on the windshield wiper motor. This is what I got right here. We're gonna be putting a Honda Civic wiper motor onto the 240z. So I have to modify this little bracket to accept him. As you guys can see, the holes don't match up at all. And then this little bump right here hits here, so we have to cut a little bit off of here. But yeah, if you guys are wondering why are you putting a Honda motor in there, the Honda motor is a lot better than the original Datsun motor. It wipes a lot faster, and then also on the when you turn it off, when you turn, you get your wipers going, and when you turn it off on the Datsun one, once you turn it off, it stays in that one position. Versus the Honda one, you turn it off and it comes back to home, which I think is a nice little feature. And plus, these are readily available everywhere, where the Datsun ones not so much. And yeah, so the only thing I have here that I'm gonna be using is obviously the Honda motor, and then this little guy. This is an adapter from Dave Irwin, minus the grommet, and it already has an integrated relay. All you got to do is plug these 5 little guys to here. But what I did is I went to the junkyard and I was able to find this pigtail that connects there, and it is only $1, so I figured if I wire that pigtail to here, this will always stay on the car, and if this guy ever needs replacing, then it's just a matter of 3 bolts, unplugging it from here and then getting a new unit. That way I don't have to hardwire it in here. But anyways, that's the plan. First I'm gonna start drilling, get this guy to mount, and then we'll go from there. Alright, that wasn't too bad. 3 holes drilled. I had to elongate one of them and cut that little slit right there to make it fit. But it's on there now. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna put the grommet that go right here, and then once that's done, I'm gonna throw it in there to see how long of a wire I'm gonna need for this guy. So I'm gonna just do a quickie test fit, measure the wire, cut the wire, and then probably splice the wires and go from there. So let's do that.
Check it.
Here's the end product. You got Datsun on one side, and on the other side you have Honda motor. So the only thing that's left to do now, since this guy's ready, that guy's over there, is to just start assembling everything and finish her up. So I'm gonna first install that guy, and then put this guy in, and then run the wiring, and that's pretty much gonna do it. So let's do that. Alright, so here is the final product. As you can see, we have the grommet sticking out nice, a little bit of wire. I think the plug comes in this way. So that's done there. I got the windshield washer nozzles that stick out through here. They're gonna stick out through the cowl. And then this guy's bolted in there nice and tight. I haven't sealed it up because I'm still missing one bolt on each side of those. I gotta go to the hardware store and get a couple more of those. So, and some washers and just to finish it up. But this will give you pretty much an idea of how it's supposed to go. But yeah, it should be a nice little upgrade. Once I get power to this thing, I want to test it out. But it's pretty straightforward. Drill 3 holes, cut a little slot, and everything else is just bolt on, a little bit of wiring. So yeah, I think that's gonna do it for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.